today I am cooking Kinpira Gobo. So what is Kinpira Gobo? It is braised carrot and burdock root, and this has been a favorite dish of mine since I was a little girl, and which is kind of unusual. My mom kind of tells this story all the time to her friends that I was the unusual kid who always requested Kinpira Gobo for dinner. But it is an odd dish for kids to request because it's not sweet. It's just all vegetables, so it's kind of a taste more for adults than kids. Regardless, I love this dish. I still love it till this day, and it's a really simple dish. You don't need very many ingredients, and the total cook time is 7 minutes. Now, the one thing that's also, well, actually, there's two great things about this dish. One is how healthy it is. It is packed with antioxidants, nutrients, minerals. It is a superfood. The second thing that's great about this ingredient, or gobo, is that it is inexpensive. I mean, it is so cheap. I mean, I don't want to say so cheap, but you don't have to spend a ton of money to eat healthy. So I recently bought 2 gobos. It comes in a pack of 2 usually, and they're about like this long. $1.45 for 2. So it's great that you can eat healthy and for a really great price. And this dish itself is cheap because carrots don't cost a lot either. A couple things to keep in mind when you make this dish. When you peel the gobo, make sure you keep that skin, because when you keep that skin, not only are you putting the part of the gobo that has the most nutrients in your dish, but also brings out the umami in the dish. It might be hard to find gobo in your local grocery store. I've heard Whole Foods sells it sometimes. I've seen it once at, I believe it was Gelson's, but the burdock root was wilted and it did not look healthy. I say the best bet to buy burdock root is at a Japanese store or a Korean store or an Asian market. That's where I usually buy it. This is a very easy dish to cook, so let's get started. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye!